Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change our display name in Zoom meeting application. Alright guys, here I have opened my Zoom meeting application. Then I have created a meeting in my Zoom application as well. Then first of all, if we want to change our display name, we can go to the participants section, and all the participant of the Zoom meeting will appear right here. And I'm the only one participant in the Zoom virtual meeting. And if we want to change our display name, we can click on our name like this, and we're gonna click on rename. And you can change your screen name right here. For instance, I'm going to change my name like this, and after we're done, we just need to click on this OK button. Okay, and now as you can see that my display name or my screen name has been changed. And I guess that's how we can change our display name in Zoom meeting application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.